Hello guys, my name is Krish. I'm 28 years old, all cash budgeter from Poland, and this is my partner Tabi. And we gathered here today to stuff the second paycheck of February 2024. So join me, let me count the money, see what we have left off last time, and finish up the stuffing for this month. And let's hope that we can come up with a really nice clean budget this time, because let me tell you, this January 2024 was unfortunate for us. There was quite a lot of things happening. So we'll go through the envelopes, we'll stuff off what we left off last time. There is not much to be stuffed, to be honest, and we'll see how it goes. So first, I will pull out all of the money from my wallet and we'll see how much we are working with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 600. $750, $790, $820. So the funny thing is that we haven't stuffed the bills. So the funny thing about this is that we haven't stuffed our bills yet. So the binder with bills would be the first one. So we need some money for the bills. There is still some left over from January. So we need that. Those are our challenges. This is my personal binder that wasn't stuffed this month at all because there was nothing to be stuffing in, because I spent all of the monies before I even got the paycheck in February. And this is the family binder that I'm going to go through right now to see what's happening. So the transportation, pets, the transportation still has 182 left. Pets has nothing left. Medical is minus 300, and I actually used this money to pay for it. It was 100, but I needed to go to the orthodontist, so we would have some extra money in this binder, but unfortunately we would have 300 more here to stuff in a different binder, but I spent it on the orthodontist. So this is why we are on minus 300, and in theory we don't actually know where this money would go. So that's it. We stuffed insurance, coffee, gifts. Gifts are also lacking some money. There's nothing in here anymore. House is having 100. Clothes is having 200. Gym is already stuffed and paid, and the challenge was stuffed. So in theory we are lacking 300 here, so we're supposed to have 300 more. And then let's take a look at the challenges. So we didn't stuff the Berlin trip. There is some in 2 zlotys challenge, some in 5 zlotys challenge, some in the there is a tenner in a jar, and 20 pulled out for Christmas that we haven't stuffed. And we moved the animal challenge here because it didn't make much sense to actually have this envelope out there. So what I'm going to do is I will I will stuff all of the money for the February bills. 6, 7, 750, 800. For the February bills. And there is 20 left over. So let me mark that off. We paid for the loans, we paid for the food, we paid for the bills, we did the going out budget, transportation, we paid for pets, for medical we spent another 300. So as you see, it's a minus already because we had 129, so we need to pull that out from other envelope. We paid for the insurance for the coffee, we paid for the gym, for gifts, house and clothes. So we need to figure out where we will take this 300 from. And most likely it will go from the clothes. 200 will go from the clothes. And 100 from house. But I don't actually think we staffed it with 200 last time. Bear with me. So clothes is 200. Oh, it was, but we bought a curtains. So I'm going to take this. $100. I'm going to leave it as it is. So we would go for the challenges with this 300. The extra money would go for the challenges, but we actually can't make it this way. So let me double check all of the expenses. Okay, so in total, we overspent 300 already for the medical bills. So I need to take it from clothes and from the house. So we are going to move this money and I'm going to cash them back. Put them back into my bank account so it evens out, because most likely it was taken from this category and I need to double check if that's correct. So we have 20 left over, and I will put that into our challenge. into some of the challenges. We'll see what challenge that is. So the 20 is left over. Not this one. Maybe this one's, I don't know. So let me take a look. So this is our going out budget. It was very poor this month. Oh, I have a lot of folder. I have a bill here. Okay, it's 108. So we bought quite a lot of, we bought gifts from my friend from this money. So I'm going to just pull this 20 up here. So this is our money left over to spend. Not much, as you see. So we are not doing anything on Valentine's this year. Definitely nothing. And I need a challenge for Valentine's Day and an anniversary next time, because it ended up really bad for us. So this money will go back to the bank account to pay for the loans and stuff like that, because I think I've taken that from my bank account. I need to double check it. But regardless whether it is or not, we're still on minus there. So this is all for the budget for the February. As you see, it's still very, very poor, but there's nothing more I can do about it than this. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.